Good morning, Candace. Is it good morning? It's actually good afternoon. That is the last slice of banana bread. It's delicious. Candace is definitely being a pain in the arse. She won't let me do anything unless, unless she's in my lap. And if I put her like here, no, that doesn't fly. She has to be in my lap. This is why I can't do dogs like this. It's very annoying. They can't do their own thing. They have to be on you all the time. And they can't just like chill. They're very needy. Don't like dependent dogs like this. And it's all my mom's fault for doing this. And some of my dad's. They're to blame. The mailman is seriously so late. It is 4:35. He usually comes around 2:30. Aha! It's a different guy. That's why. It's a different guy. He must have substituted for our normal mailman. You wanna come get the mail? Come on. You gotta sit. You gotta sit. Alright, let's go get the mail. Haven't been doing much today, but I have been watching, I'm on my 3rd or 4th episode of National Geographic's Taboo series. A woman who wants to become a paraplegic, and she gets surgery to become a paraplegic. Haven't watched that one yet, and I'm not sure what the other story is on this episode. But yeah, this series is kind of awesome. I am now reading Heartless, and it's just after 9 p.m. I'll be reading this until 11:30 when Saturday Night Live comes on and Daniel Radcliffe will be hosting. So it should be interesting. And I'm kind of interested, to use the same word again, in his new upcoming movie, Woman in Black? Lady in Black? Something like that. It looks really cool, like gothic horror cool. So I'm definitely going to watch that movie when it comes out. I don't think I'll see it in theaters, but I'll definitely watch it. I just went outside with Candace and it is beautiful outside. It feels so good. I'm looking up the temperature right now. There we go. It's 39. It feels so good. Oh, she's awake now, but she was snoring. And I'm watching SNL right now. It's just the musical guest, so I'm not going to listen to her. I have to say, so far, the sketches are kind of... Well, if it weren't for Daniel Radcliffe, I don't think they'd be funny at all. There was one that had its moments, and then the Potter sketch, the Harry Potter sketch of like, it was like Hogwarts Castle 2020 or something like that, where Harry Potter comes back. That one was quite hilarious. The voices for Ron and for Snape were hilariously spot on or close. Close enough to be respectable. And then the makeup for Draco was really good. Oh, she just snorted again. But the makeup for Draco was really good. But I had a little issue, well, I had a couple issues. Of course, there's, you know, freedom of expression with the skit and stuff. But when Draco said, you know, they dropped his daughter off, I was like, no, he has a son! And his name is Scorpius. Not a daughter. But whatever. It's really okay. But that was the best sketch so far. And of course, Daniel Radcliffe tearing off his shirt. Not bad. I've never been attracted to him, but I can appreciate it. And also his river dancing while doing calligraphy. That was pretty priceless. There's a little one. It's coming out of her. There's a Dan's movie that I was talking about.
If we open the door to superstition, what does that lead? I did see someone.
Woman in Black. I knew it was Woman or Lady in Black. I really want to see that movie now. Well, Candace and I are going to go to bed eventually. I am actually going to finish watching The Importance of Being Earnest. It's hysterical, of course. And read probably another chapter of Heartless. And then go to bed at some point. Good night.